Our clinic is a supportive environment where we provide the tools necessary to define health and weight loss goals, to reach your goals, and then maintain your goal weight.
I wore a tight 38 and I'm down to a 14. I lost 120 pounds in 13 months. My hips would hurt really bad. Now, exercising, I can do so much more than I could do before. It's a whole new lease on life.
We've worked with over 600 clients that have high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, sleep apnea, acid reflux, fatty liver, the list goes on.
I have tried many types of things of trying to lose weight, and type 2 diabetic, all kinds of medical issues, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, etc., etc. I'm becoming more lean now since I've started Ideal than I had when I was just training on my own and trying to keep a healthy lifestyle. I feel just as strong, if not stronger. I am no longer a type 2 diabetic.
Women lose approximately 2 to 3 pounds per week, and men 3 to 5 pounds per week. And the great thing about our program is we are here to support you not only through the weight loss phase, but in the maintenance phase. You're still going to be stopping in, you're still going to be coming by, and you can stop and start at any time.
I think I consistently lost weight every single week that I came. Renee has classes that you can come take every week on, we learned how to make things out of the Instapot. She's got recipes that she's posting on her Facebook page all the time, and videos that she puts up every single day.
If you're ready to get started, there's 2 ways to do that. Come to one of our wellness workshops. We hold them on the first and third Thursday at 6 p.m. of every single month. And then additionally, if you just want to get started now, just go to our website, click on the 45-minute complimentary consultation button, and you can select a time that's convenient for you and get started right away.
At some point, you have to choose you. And if you're ready to do that, then Renee and Judy are the place to go.